So what's up guys and welcome back. Today we're going to do the Ratchet and Clank. Once again. Which one was it? Part 8, part 9. Also, let me just check it and come. So guys, we're going to do the part 8 and yeah, we have to, go to Batalia because Cora Warlocks, Brax and Captain Quirk called us because the Star Wars Battlefront is the only one who's going to stop the Dreks from doing, but they did something to that Star Wars. We finished what we had done in Gaspar, and yeah, gadgets on vendor stations. I don't want to go. All primary objects complete. See, yeah, like optional now it's there. I don't want to do optional. I don't want that prize.
Where to next?
Batalia. Oh my god, I'm getting super excited. We are going to maybe play as the Star Wars Battlefront canon, and we can defeat that. What was this? Chairman Drek. Yeah, Chairman Drek. But the main guy, the one who's the baddest of them all, is Doctor Nefarious. I know it. He does not speak or do that much, whereas Drek does it. So he's not the biggest one and the villains. Yeah. Once again. Wait, let me think. Hey, we can go over there now. Oh, so we have to do the helicarrier, and plus we can't use the this one. Oh, the rocket launcher, not the rocket launcher, the flight thingy. Woo! And guys, can you guys see over there the thing over there? I can't show you, guys, where is it? But can you see where am I aiming? I think that's the Star Wars cannon. What's happened? Why is it not doing anything? Maybe they have shut it down.
Incoming enemies detected.
Incoming enemies.
Nice.
Okay, so do I get Warmonger? Oh my. Plasma strike. Oh, I'm gonna get more points. See, inside the house there are some things. I just need 20,000 more.
Perhaps we should investigate.
I'll go that side. Ride the rail. It's not the first to do. I wonder what the infobot must be. I'm not going to do that. See, because they're telling us in an order. I don't want to do from second to first. I'll do first to second. 27,000 I have now. Hey, I'll get, this thing. I'll get it again when I have more points when I'm fighting these guys.
Chairman Drek here. A brief warning for my hard-working employees. Failure to destroy Star Watch will result in automatic dismissal from Drek Industries.
Gold bull. Veritarium? Man. Hey, I forgot in gas, but I found a, Rido card. Let me see my card collection.
Set complete.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. There are 9 rhino cards and no, see. I need to get I got 3 out of 9. Yeah, 9 minus 3, 6. I got one more, so 5. I got the location. 5. Yeah. I'll get him later. Wait, there must be more points up here. So. Hey, just one single bolt. Hey, what's this? I think there must be a rhino card over here or something. And over here, like that. Man, this game is so hard. Oh, come on. Wait. Okay, fine. This seems right. And anyway, you know, from the biggest I'll start. Oh my god. Come on. And see, I think I got the pattern of how it should be. Yeah, that seems right. Yeah, I got a vibration now. I think they're telling that it's correct in my dual shock. Oh, solved it! Yes. Oh, Rhino card, yeah. Now 9, in 9 I got 3 already, and this is the 4th one. 9 minus 4, 5, and I know which one in gas pass 9 minus 5 equals 9 wait. Yeah, only 4 more to go. Yeah. I know where is it in Gaspar. Should have never left that place.
They're coming out of the snow.
Keep them away from that bolt crate! Why haven't you killed them yet? Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand how tired this situation is? Do not tail me!
Galactic Ranger detected. Oh my god. Those guys are awesome.
We've got to get across this bridge. They're coming out of the snow.
Keep them away from that bolt crate! Haven't you killed them yet? Must I make an example out of one of you so you understand how tired this situation is? Do not tail me!
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
We need to extend the bridge. Hop on that bull crank.
Hey, you know, I think it's time for me to go to that Gadgetron vendor. The Gadgetron, whatever that guy's name is. Hey, what's this? I recognize this type of rock the way I see it. Yeah, I got 31,000 points. Sorry, Cora, I'll come back. You, by the time, fight them.
Weapons here. You got a deal.
Upgrade weapons. I want to see what this, you know, warmonger. You see, I'll upgrade everything here. Upgrade weapons and combustor. Oh. Oh my god. Crouton was nice. Mr. Zocon, oh my god, I forgot him. He's the one who only listens to me and plus who saves me all the time. I can make it, I can make all.
For the first time, Ratchet had more weapons than he knew what to do with.
Oh yeah! Oh, Wow. Oh, okay. Okay, so guys, and I'm not ending the game or something, but see, we need to make
Get acquired.
what are you just standing over there? The warmonger. Go.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony of pain.
Hey, it's okay. I got everything. Now I'm talking.
We need to extend
With
the
the
bridge.
power of mine,
Hop on
I am unstoppable. Hey, the pixelizer may be nice. Let's go get a burger. Okay. First, I think I need a plan
We need
for
to
my
extend the bridge.
intellect.
Hop on that bull crank.
Intelligence.
Do you have a visual on the defect? Right. I'm standing right next to you. If I... Galactic Rangers
Oh, 66, man. I can do shoot how much ever I like. Nice. And now, hey, I think Grooviton may be nice. Okay. And that's what happens when you start messing with me.
Good work. Come on. Star Watch is this way.
Wait. Wait for locks.
I'm guessing ice is not a longback's natural habitat. Very funny.
Well, I don't think I can go over there. Clank is always, he's like, I think like ice is not for Lombard's every time behavior. Whoa! With the power of mine, no one can stop me.
Well, looks like the reinforcements arrived. Let's get to work.
One thing I don't like about this game, okay, when we are going to die, oh my, I'm sorry about the game. It's just a neutral. Unless I fight them, I'm not gonna get happen to me. Nothing is gonna. You're kidding me.
better find some nanotech.
Oh. Ah.
Good work. Come on, Star Watch is this way.
Well, now I'm fully healed. I'm gonna destroy all of. Why can't these Lombax go faster? Hey, what's that? It looks like a stair. I think it is. That's unusual. Oh, gold ball. Oh. The power of, warmonger. Oh my god. Within 2 bullets I defeated these
Looks
guys.
like the reinforcements arrived. Let's get to work.
Groove it down, baby.
Send in another tank.
Fusion grenade. Pixelizer, you're my only hope. Oh my god.
Mr. Certified. Hello, Sneaky Games. Mr. Certified is here to kill.
Oh my god, they'll just come out of here.
Attention all troops. HR says I can't fire or kill you for failing to terminate the Galactic Rangers. So, the board and I have decided to offer a little employee aid. The Blarg
Okay.
will help the Galaxy's pay trip to the third
Okay.
ring of Hollabash.
Hollabash.
Parties, orbital dinner cruises. Why, I even heard they offer cooking classes.
Oh, gold ball. I have to go to the ball.
Ratchet, hop on that bull crank.
Man, this game is little hard.
Area secure. Come on, let's get across this bridge.
Oh my god. I need even
Those laser turrets could be a
14,000.
real problem for us. We're gonna have to find another way inside. You take point, I'll cover you.
Yep. Oh. Magna boots. Wait.
Surface looks ionized. Try using your magna boots.
Oh wow.
Not bad, Ratchet. I don't like this at all. If Drek takes down Starwatch, there won't be anything standing between him and every planet in the system.
Yeah.
Where's Captain Quark?
He said he had urgent Galactic Ranger business to attend to.
Weird. All right, I guess it's on us then.
Wow. Hey, just wait for the fight to go. No, the fire will come. I'll just have to think. See, the fire goes like that and it starts coming. Yeah. Oh, escaped. I'm gonna kill all these Blarg today.
Okay, now see if you can deactivate the perimeter fusion turrets from inside.
Hey, team. Just wanted to say how proud of you I am. I'm sorry I can't be there with you today, but you know how hard these massages are to reschedule.
I don't like Captain Quark. Not a big fan of him. But I like him when he's good. I think he's an evil.
Need some nanotech.
There, the corner. You are going to pay for that. Who's next? Oh yeah. That felt good. Well, what happened? Oh, gold ball.
Ratchet, check your comms. I need to get inside. Look around for a bull crank.
Wait.
Mr. Zircon is born. Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates.
Yeah, I think we should climb over here. Then I'll go destroy those crates.
Look around for a bull crank.
Mr. Zircon will go now. Where is the bull crank? Oh yeah, there.
Ratchet, let me in.
Why can't you just fly and come?
Drek's gonna throw everything he has at us. You ready for this?
Been ready my whole life. Let's do it.
Strike teams incoming!
Huh. Whenever upgrade comes, it always comes back. These guys can't go to the snow now. Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh man, 2 tanks.
I'm so dead.
Enemy down.
my god.
Good work. Come on, Star Watch is this way.
I think now. Oh yeah, we defeated. Now the tanks come. Yeah.
Oh man, 2 tanks.
Hey, wait, I'll put the Groot on them. Oh, cute. Not that.
Yeah, 1 take down.
I am disappointed in all of you. Some training with Victor on Ion, and you can't even kill a few Galactic Rangers? Where's your brains? Where's your pride? Mice living underground?
Hey, no, 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 no. See, I knew that.
Okay, you're clear. Let's get to the Star Watch defense cannon.
Hey, lots
Come
of
on, let's
points
get
here.
this door open.
Again. Well, once again, Cora. The sweet, coins. You only get them once in a lifetime. Hey, Retarium. Now how much for, 21 minus 14? 5. Oh yeah, 5 more? Hey, after 5 more, 5,000 more points, I'll be able to buy,
We're at the defense cannon, but it looks like the system's on lockdown.
what was
We
its
need to
name?
get this thing online
The
and
thing,
fast.
strike something, strike.
This
The
lock has
test-
upgraded to. Can you test it out for me? Excellent. Now perfect. Thanks. And be sure to use this new functionality from now on.
Solid. Well, I auto-hacked it.
Star Watch defense cannon online.
Nice work, Ratchet. Hop on the defense cannon. I'll cover you.
Oh my god.
We're gonna take down those warships one by one. When the cannon charges, open fire. Shooting down the smaller ships will charge your ion cannon.
Oh.
Those holes are too thick for standard ordnance. We have to hit them with an ion blast.
Star Watch.
Cannons ready. Fire!
I got it! Clank, did you see that? No, but congratulations. Incoming missile detected.
Missile?
Star Watch ion cannon. Star Watch ion cannon armed. Hit confirmed.
Well. My god. Man, this is so tense.
At 25%. Star Watch ion cannon at 75%.
Charge the odd.
Fire again! You got it! Nice shooting!
Starwatch ion cannon at 20.
It has to be fully charged.
Woo.
Starwatch ion cannon at 70.
Cannons ready. Fire! Use the Starwatch ion cannon against those cannons.
Ah, no, it got blocked. I need perfect aim.
Starwatch ion cannon at 25%. Missile impact detected. Ouch. Starwatch ion cannon at 75%. Starwatch ion cannon armed. Warning. Significant system damage detected.
Oh yeah!
Nice work, kid.
Woo! Beat them all.
Retreating.
We did it!
That's
Yes,
what Drek
we did
gets
it.
when he messes with
The Galactic Rangers.
Yeah!
Woo!
We should head back to the ship.
Okay. 1 second. I want to see how magnificent this ship is.
Huh?
Ha! You did it, kid! We're getting reports that the rest of Drek's fleet is retreating. Dolaris, confirmed.
Copy that, Brax. All remaining warships are turning back towards Quartu. You guys did great work.
I
Yep.
agree. Sorry I couldn't be with you today. I hope you know I was with you in spirit. Let's rendezvous and follow those Blarg back to Quartu.
Copy that, Captain.
These
We'll
guys
see you
I
in a
don't
bit.
like.
Looks like we're secure.
Hey,
You
wait.
did well today, Ratchet.
1 second. And
You
Clank.
too, Clank. I'll see you both on Quartu.
I know.